Hello Year 7. By this point you're finding your feet in English lessons. You're getting to know your classmates, you're getting to know your teacher, and you're getting more comfortable with the subject in the classroom. The purpose of this video is now to take you through the next step, which is of course your English homework. We've put it together to show you step by step what it is that you need to do so that you can complete it with the minimum of fuss and produce the best quality work that you can. So the first thing that you need to do is to log on to your Google Classroom. In there your teacher will have put to you an assignment which looks very much like this. The task is to write a letter of introduction to your teacher, and your teacher will have given you a letter from them. Your first task is to read through this letter to learn a little bit more about them. Then the task that you'll be handing in to us is there. So you click on that and the instructions will come up for you and your work should go underneath. Now some of you will have also completed a challenge just before or over summer. This is your opportunity to share that work with your English teacher and add that work to what is here. If you haven't done that though, that's not a problem. As you're putting this letter together, you should be thinking about some of the things that you've done during the lessons. You've done a lot of stuff about you, your likes, the things that you enjoy, your interests, your hobbies and so on. And now's an opportunity to get that across to your teacher in a situation from home where you've had time to reflect. Then, when you've done your work, hand it in. As you can see, there's a button to press for turning the work in. Now, when you've turned your work in, sometimes you might realise that there's something that you've missed out, or there's something you'd like to add to it. It's not a problem. All you need to do is to go back to that original piece of work. Don't click on Edit Access. That will send a message to the teacher and you'll need to wait for them. Instead, go back to the assignment and click on Unsubmit. Even though you've unsubmitted it, your teacher will be able to see your work, so don't worry about that. They've issued you that document, so they'll be able to see everything that you've typed on there. I hope that's been use to you. We are really looking forward to reading your letters and finding out a little bit more about you.